Hello and welcome. My name is Jin. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a lunge with a twist. In yoga terms, there is so many names that comes with this because I'm going to show you different options starting from a less intense option to a more intense option. With a lunge twist though, the act of the twist allows you to deepen the length down your back, so you're going to feel like lots of stretch down your back, and you're going to open up your hips, stretching out your big muscle groups on your legs. So when we are twisting, there is a lot of things happening to our body, and that's why I like to give you options and I allow you to be comfortable in each option before you move on to the next option. Shall we begin? Come and join me. To begin a lunge twist, of course, we need to get comfortable with our lunge. I'll show you the front profile. I want to start off with our right foot first. So on your knees, make sure your knees are comfortable, so feel free to have a cushion as we're going to step one leg forwards, and we'll start with our right leg. The side profile of your lunge is, the aim is to bring your front leg as far forward as you can and your back foot as far back as you can. Where to position your legs is just bringing it hip width apart and just coming as far as you can till you feel a nice stretch down your legs or you're feeling your hips open. The back toe rests on the floor, so you allow the relaxation to creep up to your hips, and we're just gonna bring our hips down. Feel free to sway from side to side so we explore and open up our hips, and then we reduce the range back to the center. Draw your hands to the inside of your legs. Maybe take a couple of breaths here. And then we move on to our twist. Now in the lunge position, when we start to twist, it is quite important to keep your back straight. So if you find that you're hunching slightly already in your lunge position, just have your hands on your knee. Do a couple of breaths. Just allow the hips to sink in. And now we're going to bring our right arm and rest it on our right knee. The act of twist is to press into the knee, and we're twisting our body by anchoring the lower arm into the inside of our front foot. Doing it with a breath in. So take a breath in, press into the knee, push away from the standing arm, and then as you breathe out, just eye gaze to the top of your shoulder or just to the back. You may look down at 45 to keep your neck comfortable, or you may look up, and we're just holding on when we breathe out. You're gonna feel that twist down the spine. We're staying here for a couple of breaths. So breathing in and out at your pace. Now as we bring up the intensity, I'll show you this, the side profile. We'll start to tuck the back foot in, and as we take another big breath, we're going to lift the back knee up. Again, keep pressing to the front foot, keep anchoring the feet down. So this is more of an active stretch, this is a more passive stretch. At any time, you can always drop down to your knees. The next level is to extend our right arm to the ceiling. So breathing in, opening wide and looking to the back. Now same thing with the back toe tuck. So if you want a bit more intensity or you feel like you need more energy today, tuck the back toe in, inhale, lift the arms up and extend the knee. Just keep the hips low, making sure that we're not lifting our hips and rounding our back. So keep it down low. And if you need an anchor, I normally go with a block and just have it on the other standing arm. It gives you a bit of height and a bit more space. Alright. Now the next one is just drop down to your knees. We're going to come into a prayer. So we're really twisting through the spine. Bring our left hand forwards. Press it against the knee, but make sure the knee is not falling in. So I'll show you the front profile so it's clearer. So anchoring the elbow to the knee. So just make sure we're not pushing the knee in. We're pushing against the elbow. Press your palms. And the aim is to bring the palms close to your center of your chest as much as you can. So that's an act of a bigger binding as we keep our elbows wide just like that. Same thing, always take a deep breath as you move into the pose. As you breathe out, we feel into the asana. And then we can add the back leg. So tucking the toe, lifting the knee, and staying low. Other option, you may open up the arms and continue to anchor the lower arm to the knee. Eye gaze to the ceiling. That's the intensity that I would probably reach up for now. Alright. If you've done it, just feel your breath. See how the body is. And we'll go to the other side just to even things right. Here we go. So left leg forwards, blocks to the side. Again, come into your lunge. Back knee drops. You just want to sway from side to side. Open up the side. Open up the space. Hands can be to the outside or inside. As long as you're comfortable in the space, there's no sharp pains or tingling or numbness. And then once you're ready for your twist, just have your left hand on the left knee. A nice big breath turning into the knee as you breathe out, looking to the back. With the breath, the idea is to breathe in, feeling into the twist. As the twist is compressing into your organs. As you breathe out, you just want to aim to relax the hips more. One more breath. Let's try a more active stretch. So the back toe tucks, the back knee lifts. Take a big breath. And out. And extend the arms, so breathing in. And out. Maybe hang on here for a couple more breaths. So at any time you drop down to your knees, take a big breath, lift it up. Breathing out, holding or releasing. And then now, let's twist more. So the back arm now anchors the front knee, palms press, and we just try to bring it close to the chest. Even far here is still good. And then breathing in, looking to the ground, to the back, so we stay comfortable in the neck. And relax your toe as well. And then let's actively move into the space. So breathing in, tucking the toes as you breathe out. Lifting the back knee but keeping the hips low. Keep the hips low. This is where we have to use a bit of our core as well. So you may tuck your belly in. And then the last one, we just open up, releasing slightly into the twist and opening up our hearts. One more breath with me, if you're here. And then release, unwind yourself. A nice recovery would be a child's pose. So you draw your front foot back, toes together, and we just extend our arms out. Once you recover, coming back to your natural breath, move on to the next asana, or you're done here. With that, thank you for watching the lunge twist. So what do you think? Are there any questions or feedback? Anything you'd like to add? I've always have gaps and I love to learn more. Feel free to pop your comment down below and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.